Back to Western New York living. Now, I'm sure you've all heard the old phrase, less is more. Well, when it comes to weight loss, it's not always eating less that equates to more weight loss. It also centers around what you're eating in general. And here to better explain what I'm talking about are two folks who understand this much better than I do. Pleasure to have Donna Herberger from the IDU Weight Loss Center and Chef Darian Bryan from the Plating Society here with us this morning. Thank you both for being here.
Good morning.
Thanks for having us.
Donna, your program, you do sell food designed to help people reach their weight loss goals, but
Yes.
part of that is they make their own healthy dinner. Why is that, and how do you assist them with those meals?
Well, we have everything from cookbooks to videos that we've done with Chef Darian at his place, the Plating Society in Buffalo, because we're different from other programs. You get to make your own healthy dinner. You can eat in a restaurant and pick healthy things, or even get healthy takeout and lead a more normal life. So we partnered with Chef to come up with some creative things, and we're going to see a video in a few minutes.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing that in a minute. And Darren, you are part of All Things Ideal, the cooking segment we're going to see in a minute. But quickly tell us about your business, the Plating Society.
So the Plating Society is more of a private boutique. So you come in with private parties. It's not open to the public. So you have to book ahead of time. You come in and I'll cook in front of you. It could be like 2 people up to 30 people, so it doesn't matter the size. I'm an entertainer, I love to cook, I sing, I dance, you know what I mean? I do it all, you know what I mean? So it's pretty much open concept. My thing is that I bring the chef from the back to the front, so I'll be front and center cooking for you. All
right, and an entertaining outfit too that he brought us tonight too. Always well dressed if you follow him on social media. Now, one of the healthy dishes you had, chicken scallopini that you cooked for a segment. We're going to take a look at that video right here.
We're going to make a great dish today. It's a chicken scallopini with capers and spinach. Delicious. I can smell it already.
Let's do it. So for you folks probably wondering what scallopini and where that name come from, but in Italian that means just thin slice of meat. We got some thinly sliced chicken breast right here. First thing first, get a pan going. Get some light olive oil in there. Just get some salt and pepper in the chicken, both sides.
Now, I noticed when you season, you hold your fingers up high.
Yeah.
Why is that?
So if you're too low, it's gonna drop in one area, like one big blob of salt and pepper.
Okay.
You wanna spread the love.
Spread the love.
Up high. So we get some beautiful color in this, and we're gonna pop it in the oven just so it can cook all the way through. We're gonna make this sauce.
All right.
We're gonna do some chicken stock in. We got some capers. Then we got some lemon zest. Break these up to release all natural flavors in it. We got some fresh dill. And now we're gonna cook our spinach.
Okay.
Spinach is tricky. Like you could start off with this much and get this much when you cook it because there's so much water in spinach. We're gonna start with our garlic first. Garlic in the pan. You don't want the pan to be too hot when you're cooking garlic because you're gonna burn it.
Right.
Spinach in. So we're pretty much cooking this until it's like wilted.
Now, this dish could be chicken scallopini. You could replace that protein and make it a veal scallopini if you prefer veal. But everything else would remain the same.
The sauce right here, we're just gonna put it right on top.
Add a side salad, or maybe you want some cauliflower rice or other grilled vegetables, whatever you want to add to it. But this is a whole meal in and of itself. Thanks for joining us today. Join us next time with Chef Darian for the Plating Society. I'm Donna Herberger, the IDU Weight Loss Center, and this is All Things Ideal.
See you guys soon. Let's go.
That certainly looks better than the chicken and spinach I was thinking of for that. That's all part of your show.
Yes.
You see right here on Channel 2. All right, let's talk about the program, how folks can get part of the weight loss program and find out about recipes like this.
Sure. So best thing to do is go to IDLU.com, sign up for a virtual Zoom or an in-person open house. There's recipes there. There's segments of All Things Ideal. And they can also catch it Saturday mornings on Channel 2 at 5 a.m.
All right, and see some great cooking segments. ThePlatingSociety.com is that's where you can find Darian Bryan, Chef Darian Bryan. So we'll tell you more about that right now. The IDU Weight Loss Center. It is your healthy, rapid weight loss center. They can help you meet your weight loss goals for 2023 and most importantly, help you keep that weight off. They have 3 locations in our area, and Donna suggests you do register, as she mentioned, for upcoming virtual or in-person open house to find out more about their program and find out more about everything on their website, IDLU.com or 631-8446. And for that private dining experience with Chef Darian Bryan, ThePlatingSociety.com. That's where you can find out more about that. Now, coming up in our second half hour, we'll be